Can you guess what these birds are called in Igbo language? Let's start. Number one is called bird is nnono in Igbo language. Nnono. Nnono. Eagle is called ugo. Ugo. Another one is chicken. Chicken is called ọkụkọ. Ọkụkọ in Igbo language. Ọkụkọ. Another one is hen. Hen is ọkụkọ nwanyị in Igbo language. Ọkụkọ nwanyị. Then cock is ọkụkọ nwoke. Ọkụkọ nwoke. Chick is called nwa ọkụkọ. Nwa ọkụkọ. Pigeon is called nduru. Nduru. Then dove is called nduru. Nduru. Vulture is called udele. Udele. Called egbe. Egbe. Owl is called ikwikwi. Ikwikwi. Parrot is called nkwo. Nkwo. Is called ugoloma. Ugoloma. Parrot is called nza. Nza. Turkey is called torotoro. Torotoro. Peacock is called akoro. Akoro. Some people call it ehuru. Ehuru. Anyone. Akoro. But that's what we call it in Igbo language. It's called eyi nnono. Eyi nnono. Duck is called ọbọgwụ. 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 Please drop down in the comment section what you want me to teach you in Igbo language, or what your people call this in your dialect. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video. Thank you.